Hello everyone, welcome to my video. So my friend, have you ever wanted to talk to someone in English but you didn't know how to start the conversation? You know some English words, you know some sentences, but when it's time to say the first sentence, your mind goes blank. So don't worry. In this video, I will teach you 25 easy English conversation starters that beginners can use anywhere, at school, at work, with friends, or even with strangers. So by the end of this video, you will never be confused about how to start a conversation in English. So let's start. Situation 1. Meeting someone for the first time. So instead of saying silent, start with these simple sentences like, "Hi, how are you? My name is Rakesh. What is your name? Nice to meet you. Where are you from? What do you do?" These 5 sentences can start hundreds of conversations. Now situation 2. Talking to a friend. Now imagine you are talking to your friend. So you can say, "How is your day going? What are you doing? Are you busy right now? Do you have a minute? How was your weekend?" These questions make the conversation natural and friendly. Now step 3. Situation 3. Starting a conversation at school or work. Here are some useful conversation starters. "Can I ask you something? Could you help me please? What do you think about this? Do you understand this topic? Let's work together." These sentences sound polite and confident. Situation 4. Keeping the conversation going. Many people know how to start, but they don't know how to continue. Okay? So use these expressions. "Really? That's interesting. Tell me something more. I agree with you. What happened next?" These small sentences keep the other person talking. Situation 5. Ending the conversation politely. Every conversation should end politely. Use these expressions. "It was nice talking to you. I have to go now. Take care. See you soon. Have a great day." A good ending leaves a good expression. So my friend, remember, starting a conversation doesn't require difficult English. It just requires confidence and practice. So from today, challenge yourself. Use at least one conversation starters every day. Speak with your friends. Speak with your family. Even practice in front of mirror. The more you practice, the more natural your English will become. Remember this, every fluent speaker was once a beginner. So the only difference is they started speaking. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and follow and subscribe to my page and video. And also comment me below. Today I will start conversation English. So thanks for watching and see you in next video. Take care and keep learning, keep growing.